see they're a little scuffed up, you know, daily activities. But we're gonna get them right. All right, so before we start, I'm gonna show y'all the essentials, you know what I'm talking about? Got me a little towel, microfiber towel, whatever type of towel y'all gonna use. If y'all gonna use y'all bath towel, whatever. You see I got the towel laid on the floor. I ain't trying to mess up the carpet. And I just got a little kit off Amazon, Jason Mark. I would recommend this because this is what I be using. So let's get to the cleaning. A little bit about the shoes for the people who don't know about these shoes. These are the Jordan 6s, the Gatorade 6s right here. You know what I'm talking about? A lot of Florida people like these. You know, they got the Florida colors on them. You know what I'm saying? Dope kicks, I fuck with them. You feel me? Well, let's get to the cleaning. A little tough spot, you know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid. Some spots, you know what I'm saying? They might just be there. Go ahead and scope them out, do a little look around. You know what I'm saying? Got a little mud on here. Just wipe it off with the towel. We getting all that off there. See that? Get back to it. Don't be afraid neither. If you got you a good brush, you ain't gonna hurt your shoe. You feel me? One thing that's gonna be hurting is you when you drip off because your shoe's dirty. Looking good. Give it a quick wipe down. Get all the soap off there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give them a quick look around. All right, these looking pretty good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the next ones. Quick wipe down, and then we're gonna check them out. Now we're gonna scope them out. You know what I'm saying? Looking good. So as y'all can see, this is the aftermath of the shoes. After we brushed it down, foamed it up, and wiped it down. As you can see, Jason Mark did his thing, but it's still a little scuff marks left. I give it a 7.3 out of 10. But you know, we gonna still be stepping. It did its thing for the most part and got the case cleaned up. All right, y'all. As you can see, we got the case cleaned up. If you fuck with your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or go ahead and hit that like button, you feel me? And we out of here. So we about to step out, hit them streets, you feel me? Now we stepping fresh.